A very good evening to you. Welcome to the Hot and Spicy. Now, something new for me. A while back, several weeks ago, Mrs. H spotted a place called Pepe's Piri Piri. Oh, she said, look at that. And I wondered if it was a chicken sort of place, you know, like spicy chicken, peri peri chicken. And it's by the range in Rhyl, North Wales, is in a little sort of complex. And I was contacted by Carl Hogan. If you're watching, Carl, he went there with his son. He said he tried, I think he had the mild or the normal or something. And he said it seemed quite hot for that. So they do different types. It's on the box here. They use the same box for everything. And it's got mango and lime, lemon and herb, mild, hot, extra hot and extreme. Now I've gone for the, as you know, gone for the mild. No, I haven't. I've gone for the extreme. It doesn't say on the box, which is a pity, but they must use the same boxes for each. These are wings as a side. Wings, I've asked for them extreme as well. There's meant to be 3 there, but there's 4, fair play to them. And it's an extra hot dipping sauce. I thought that was extreme actually, but anyway, that'll do. And the fries are delicious. Mrs. H likes these. And they've got piri piri salt on them. So this is chicken and rice. Chicken on the top. Chicken wings. Maybe I'll eat them out the box. Tell you what we'll do that. Maybe you can see it better. Beer, we've got Badger Golden Champion Golden Ale, 4.5%. Sort of an elderflower kick to that. And we've got Old Speckled Hen Distinctive English Pale Ale, 4.8%. I think we'll go with that today. And we have got LSU. So, thank you. Welcome to the, as I say, hot and spicy. Welcome to the weekend. I hope you're having a good weekend so far. A bit of a rainy day here today. And bits of sunshine in between, but it's not so bad now. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Beautiful. So, what should we go with? Let's try a bit of this chicken, see how hot it is. I've not tried anything. I can't tell by the smell. Lovely smell though. Oh, 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 oh. How are you talking? Oh, the rice is lovely. Somebody said in the comments, when the glasses come off you can tell it's hot. Well, the reason I do it, oh, that is nice. Good kick to it. Now, very friendly staff in there as well, fair play. Because the chap who served me, well, the lady served me first, and then he brought me the order. Order 34 it was. Wow, it was a good kick to that. That is nice. Making me mouth watering. Oh, he said, you're feeling brave, are you? I said, oh, I like a challenge. Anyway, cheers. Good health to you. Oh, good old Speckled hen. Oh, you can't beat that first one, can you? Every time. Every time. Alright. I'm using a bit of cutlery. This is impressive. Oh, the sauce is lovely. Do you know the taste? Lovely chicken, good quality chicken, has a sort of a salty tone to it, very Moorish, like a pila rice. similar thing. That's lovely. Good kick to these. They're still hot. So if you don't like heat, I wouldn't go near the extreme. That's lovely. This is lovely. Chicken and rice. And fair play, you get a good amount of chicken. Now, because I wanted to try these wings as well, this was an extra, what do you call it, side. And it was £3 something for, meant to be 3, but as I said, they put 4 in, fair play to them. The fries were large, and this, I think. Oh, and it came with a drink. I didn't bother with the drink. And this dipping sauce. What else was there? I think that's about it. About 50. I think it was about £15 all in. So really nice. You can sit in. Notice a lot of people there. I noticed one lad there must have just come in from work and gone straight there, and he was sitting and he was sweating, you know, and he said, "Oh, I'm full now." I could hear him saying to his mate. And so whether he had the hot to the extreme, I don't know, but lovely burn in the mouth, tip of the tongue and roof of the mouth for me at the minute. Wow. Oh, that's a lovely, I don't know what that flavour is. Like a, it's like a salty, beautiful. What are you having? Before I go in for them, we'll have a few of them dad jokes. Oh no! Wow. And what's nice is the sauce has gone into the rice as well. I meant to ask Carl, if you're watching, you had the, was it the normal or something, or the mild? Do you like the hot ones, or is that you prefer just the standard heat, I mean? Because I asked the fella when he said, "Oh, you're feeling brave, are you?" I said, "Yeah. I didn't say I'm filming it, you know, but what did he say?" I said, "Well, do you like them?" He said, "I like them." He said, "But some of these don't here. They couldn't handle it." Wow, they are hot and lovely. It's nice to actually go in somewhere, takeaway, it says extreme, and they're hot, making me stand to sweat here, burn in the mouth. One happy chappy. Well done. Pepe's, Piri Piri's right. I should have a bookmark already because I can't remember where I stopped. What lies on the ground 100 feet up in the air? A dead centipede. What is a deaf lady's favourite letter? A, because it makes her hear. Eh? Oh yeah. Patient. Doctor, I feel like a pair of scissors. Doctor, well, you can cut that out. How many pigs does it take to make a farmyard smell? A few. P-H-E-W, few. What's blue, juicy and cries for help? A damson in distress. What do you get if you cross a cow, a sheep and a baby goat? The Milky Bar Kid. Even the dog doesn't like it. Two mind readers met in the street. One said, "Hello, you're fine. How am I?" What's a horse's favourite game? Stable tennis. Yes, I get the hint. Big pieces of chicken, I tell you that. For nout. Doesn't matter what form you have it. There's nothing nicer in one way or the other. Chicken and chips. Yeah. Well, I can tell straight away I'm not going to finish all this. That is a filling meal. Rice and chicken and these. But as I bought these extra. But what I don't eat are these. I'll eat cold, I don't mind that. And then, now we're going to go into them. Let's try chicken wing extreme. Wow, lovely chicken, cooked nicely. So moist. Oh, lovely. Wow. Something about eating off the bone. Wow. Wow. That is beautiful flavour. And do you know what? I've got to be honest, the certain peri peri sauces, I didn't like them. Did not, there was something in them. But this is in a different league, so whether, I don't know, whether this is their own recipe, I don't know how they do it. But it is delicious. Chicken comes off the bone. So all I'll say is if you like chicken, you like it mild, mango and something. Can't see now. All the way to hot. can highly recommend this. So, wow. The fries are not hot. What are you having? Did I ask? A bit late. That is good quality chicken, that. And cooked. Wow. Off the bone. Very impressed. I'm sorry now I didn't go in long before, because we've passed this several times. They do burgers, chicken burgers. So if you're near Thrill, or if you find yourself passing near the area, well worth it. Wow. Right, should we try some of this? Quite thin. Oh, just put that there because, oh, I can smell this. Holy smoke! Massive fan of that. Do you know why? It's like oh, vinegary. It's like a cross between a vinaigrette and a hot sauce. Sharpness to it, and there's a bit of, that's the extra hot. Yeah, it's probably got a kick to it maybe, but maybe a bit of a kick there, but see, I love anything like a vinegary type thing. There's a sharpness to that. With these salty, oh god, that's made my day, that has. This is hot, the extreme. That sauce is more, for me, flavoursome. Absolutely love that. But maybe with the heat of this, I can't tell the heat in that, because this is more obviously, but that's the wings demolished, that's lovely. But this is, oh yeah, I can tell there's like a bit of a chilli flavour, and then this sort of what I class as a vinegary background. I don't know what it is, it could be vinegar, but it's given me a sharp, so it's got a kick, probably a normal kick. If I had that first, I'd probably be able to tell, but hot sauce, quite sharp, flavoursome. Yeah, I love that. Not everybody's cup of tea maybe, but I don't know if we're getting to drink. Cheers. Tomorrow I'm doing pheasant from the freezer. They're out of season now, but from the freezer, pan frying 2 pheasant breasts with the skin on. I'm going to fry at the side of them some asparagus, I'll do some green beans. I'll boil them or whatever, or steam them maybe, and some creamy mash with not gravy, with some plum sauce, just a bit. So that'll lovely. And I might do a butter. Well, I will do a buttery mash, but I might put garlic in it. Might have a garlicky mash. See how it goes. See how it goes. God, this box. There's a lot of food here. Oh, nice rice as well. Still haven't had a haircut. I think I did say last weekend, Sunday, when I do my hair, one thing happens and after another day. Gotta be honest, I'm stuffed. Look at this. That was jam-packed at the top with chicken. So value for money is excellent. I reckon 2 people could eat this. But I had extra wings because I wanted to try them. Beautiful, good quality chicken. Come off the bone, man. But these, extreme, exactly what they say in the tin. Or the box, well, it doesn't say in the box, but my tip of the tongue, roof of the mouth, burning. There's a bit of sweat. Not enough to wipe yet, but mouth is watering, eyes are glazing. Really nice and flavoursome. Fries are gorgeous. And that, I'm very impressed with that. But that's my cup of tea, that, you see. This type of sauce. Really nice. Like a rich, sharp, sort of vinegary. Ooh. So these, I'm going to let go cold now. Put them in the fridge. I'll have these tomorrow evening, because this is the only chicken here. The rest, this depth is rice. But, well, yeah, I better leave a bit of this chicken actually, because I don't just want rice tomorrow. But them 4 wings, beautiful. I'm gonna have one more piece. Yeah, so there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces, and this lovely rice. Got a lot of fries there as well. Whew. So very happy with that. Very happy. And I'll finish these. Oh yeah, that sauce later on with a few more of these. I'll have this Badger Golden Champion after this. And then I think I've got some Tetley's Bitter. Even though they don't call it bitter, they call it Tetley's Smooth Ale, I think. Oh, that's lovely. There's a few of them in the fridge, so. If you follow me on Paul H, I'll see you in the morning. If you don't, I'll see you in the next. God, the flavour. Ooh, lovely. I'll see you in the next video. Have a great weekend. Stay safe. Very impressed with this. If you like spicy, heat, chicken, extreme, beautiful. I have to stop, there's no room for beer. We can't have that. But I hope I don't. The trouble with me, you see, in an hour or two, I thought, oh, I might finish that. No, I'm going to keep it. I want it for tomorrow night, so I'll keep it cold. And I could microwave it in the box, couldn't I? Anyway, stop waffling. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.